What does it take to be a successful AI product manager in today's fast-paced tech world? Well, let's delve into the curiosity of AI product management. It's a field that merges the advancements of artificial intelligence with the strategic finesse of product management. With the tech industry rapidly evolving, AI product management has become a crucial player, leading the charge in this transformative era. But remember, it's not just about understanding AI, but mastering the art of product management as well. Now, let's dive into the essential skills needed to excel in AI product management. First up is data literacy. As an AI product manager, you'll be swimming in a sea of data. Understanding this data, interpreting it, and using it to inform decisions is a critical skill. Next, we have effective communication. It's not enough to understand the data. You need to be able to communicate your findings and ideas clearly. Whether it's with engineers, stakeholders, or customers, your communication skills will often be put to the test. Finally, there's the ability to ask the right questions. A curious mind is a powerful tool in AI product management. It's not just about finding answers, but knowing what questions to ask in the first place. And this ability helps you identify opportunities, risks, and areas for improvement. These skills not only make you competent, but also set you apart in the AI product management landscape. To wrap up, let's quickly summarize what we've learned about AI product management. It's a crucial role in today's tech industry, using AI and machine learning to enhance product offerings. The AI product manager stands at the intersection of technology and business, wielding key skills such as data literacy, effective communication, and the ability to ask the right questions. Remember, as an AI product manager, you're the bridge between the complex world of AI and the dynamic world of product management. So equip yourself with these skills and lead the charge.